Welcome to the ultimate guide to making money online for beginners. In this video, we're going to provide you with everything you need to know about getting started with making money online. Making money online refers to various ways of earning income through the internet. This can range from selling goods or services online to promoting other people's products for a commission. The first step to making money online is to assess your unique skills and interests. This will help you determine which online business model is best suited for you. There are many different ways to make money online, such as starting a blog or YouTube channel, offering freelance services, or launching an online store. Regardless of which online business model you choose, creating high-quality content is key. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Once you've built up an audience or customer base, it's time to start monetizing your online business. This could include selling digital or physical products, offering sponsored content, or running ads. That concludes the ultimate guide to making money online for beginners. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to earning income through the internet.